lovely people, welcome to my channel. That's us naturally, this is TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your homemade shampoo, yes, for length retention and for massive hair growth. But please, if today is your first time watching my video, please note that this channel is about learning DIY skincare, how to grow your hair, and a lot more. So please, if you are interested in my video, please do well to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there is a new upload. All right, so let's get into the video. I made a video on how you can make your own homemade shampoo, and with this shampoo, which is very good for growing out your hair, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So if you want to know how to make your own shampoo, then you can make it. You can see that my hair is really wet yesterday or yesternight, because today will be my wash day to prepare to do a mini twist for myself. What I did was I shampooed, used a normal shampoo to wash or cleanse my scalp from all the dirt or the product that I'll be having or I have gotten in my hair. So as you can see, my hair is product free. Yes, my hair is product free. So I went ahead to deep condition it using the onion ginger juice, yes, which is very good for strengthening your hair and also promoting hair growth, prevent your hair from breaking, yes, and also which promotes you having dark hair. So if you are suffering from gray hair or you having no dark natural hair, go ahead and use the onion ginger juice. I'll leave that link in the description box below if you want to know how to make your own onion ginger juice, how to apply it to your hair. So as you can see, I had it overnight, so you can see there's the plastic and the scarf all being here, as you can see, because I did it on my hair. So I've gone ahead to wash it. So that's how my hair looks like. Please do well to wash your hair in twists, in loose big twists, to prevent your hair from tangling and also breaking. So I'm going ahead to apply this to my hair for you to see how it works. Please, if you have already washed your hair without not using the onion ginger juice, please do well to wet your hair before applying this to your hair. Make sure you place it in your scalp. Make sure you do a scalp massage. So as you can see, I'm already on it. This method is so simple and so easy to do. To grow out your natural hair these days is not all that expensive and also not all that time taking. So as you can see, as we're done with this, you go ahead, just massage your scalp for 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes to allow the product to penetrate into your scalp and also to cleanse out your hair, leaving all the products that is in the shampoo or the nutrients in the shampoo to get into your strands. All right, so now we've come to the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and also give me a thumbs up. So after this, you wash it off with normal cold water. Don't forget you have already washed it with a normal shampoo.